So here is the data that is prepared. So sales quantity, the name of entity is Gayatri Projects Limited. For whom we sell this much amount of material, and here are the rest of the that needed to be. And so manually, if we go about doing this, we will first go and copy and paste it here, and we will select estimate amount of material. So we will go again to 99 and then come here and then paste it here. And percentage of 91 and rest and the rest same we should do for for all the 13 40 quantities. But I have a little and using that, if I will run this, you can see in an instant all the so it takes less than 2 seconds to fulfill this message, fulfill the entries, and there is no error. So that it is that the project. So it is that the project. Cement 29 and the address and state and everything else is selected. Now the code I have purposely stopped the code, but it is automatically designed to click on this EPR number. Then it will generate an EPR number. It will copy it and save it into an Excel file, and will repeat the same for the for all of these set